See how to write electronic configuration of hydrogen. Hydrogen, it has atomic number 1. So one electron can come here. So electronic configuration is 1s1. Next is your helium, atomic number 2. 2 electrons are here, 1s2. Next is your lithium, atomic number 3. 1 2 3, 1s2, 2s1. Next beryllium, atomic number 4. 1 2 3 4. So electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2 and 2 4. Now see, if we write electronic configuration of nitrogen which has atomic number 7. So see how electrons will be filled. Electrons will be filled like this. 7, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1, or simply we can write like this: 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. 2 plus 2 4 and 3 7. We can write like this. And if we want to write electronic configuration of neon, so neon has atomic number 10. 10 electrons. How these electrons will be filled? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we can write 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6. Now see, if 11 electrons are here, 11 electrons, so 10 are here. This is 11, 12, then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, then 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. See, electrons will be filled like this. You will fill all the electrons in the orbitals and you will write electronic configuration from hydrogen to zinc. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and zinc is 30. So see, 30 electrons are here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. 15 orbitals are here. So each orbital can contain 2 electrons, means how many electrons are there? 30. So you will write electronic configuration like this. But electronic configuration of chromium and copper. Electronic configuration of chromium and copper. Electronic configurations of chromium and copper are different from the general trend. So you just write down like this only. In next video, I will tell you how electronic configuration of chromium and copper is different. You keep writing like this. Each and every time you will draw orbitals and you will write electronic configuration. Like for hydrogen, again you can draw these orbitals and just fill only for first one, and then it means 30 times you draw like these orbitals. 1 2, like you have written like this: 1 2 3 4 and up to 30. Then write hydrogen, helium and then zinc. You keep filling electrons like this, and I will tell you afterwards why or how electronic configuration of chromium and copper is different. See, next part is there. see here, when we write orbitals, then how do we write orbitals? 1s, 2s, 2p, and we have 3s, 3p, 3d, and 4s. 3d, see 3d is coming before 4s, like here. 3d is coming after 4s, exceptional case. According to this one, we have studied already quantum numbers. You can see 1s will come, then 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s. According to the quantum number 3d, it must be filled before 4s. But here when we write electronic configuration, first 4s comes and then 3d comes. Why it is so? We will find the we will find the energy of the orbital. Energy of the orbital I have told you already. This gives the value of n, this gives the value of L. Energy of the orbital is given by n plus L. This is 3d and this has 4s. 4s is here, this is n and this is L. Value of n here 3 and L for d, we studied already, for d that is 2. Then this energy of the orbital is 5. In case of 4s, n is 4 and L is 0 and energy is 4. Means 4s has energy 4 and 3d has energy 5. So according to the rule, that orbital will be filled first whose energy is low. Some rules are there. Next videos we will study those rules. 3 rules are there, very important 3 rules to write electronic configuration. Aufbau is there, Hund's rule is there, Pauli's exclusion is there. So according to this rule, orbital which has low energy, 4s has energy 4, 3d has 5, means 3d has more energy. That's why it is filled afterwards. 4s has less energy, it is filled already, earlier it has filled. So according to the quantum numbers, 3d will come first and then 4s, but when we write electronic configuration, 4s comes first and then 3d afterwards. So these are some ways to write electronic configuration. So we will write electronic configuration from hydrogen to zinc. And again see here, some exceptional cases are there. Exceptional cases are always welcomed by chemistry. Those are chromium and copper. We will discuss it. Thanks.